Essentially, Panacea Life Sciences and the Helix brand were founded based on an initial discovery. My goal as a professional business leader and PhD scientist has been to bring medications to patients in need now. So I started off as a PhD advisor. In 2013, I left the big pharma world and went to a little small startup located in Fort Collins, about an hour north of here, where we were performing contract research testing for novel CNS and pain medications for Merck, Pfizer, AstraZeneca. 2016, we were asked to characterize novel cannabis extracts for the treatment of pain with the hope of finding a new application or differentiation for cannabis extracts. And our findings at that particular point in time led to the founding of Panacea Life Sciences. So what we found was hemp oil extracts with no THC in them were 10 times more effective than ibuprofen, could be used in conjunction with morphine to actually lower the morphine dose by 50% to 75% and achieve the exact same pain relief that you would have from a higher opioid dosage. So at that particular point in time, I met Leslie, and Leslie Budorf is our CEO, and she actually comes from a financial and entrepreneurial startup management background. And so between the two of us, we founded Panacea Life Sciences with the mission of characterizing these hemp extracts and bringing those hemp extracts to patients in need now.
My background is in media and advertising. I came out of the TV advertising world, working for Gannett Broadcasting, McGraw-Hill through the years, and but also have some entrepreneurial background experience as well. I have a company that I actually am co-owners with Leslie. So there's a little bit of synergy between those. I've always been in the background of where Panacea was going, and I always loved the aspect of the bottom line is we want to help people. We want to make them feel better and not be on opioids. We were just talking with a gentleman that we're working with who said, if I can get people off opioid addiction, he would save $500,000 per person per year. I mean, that's pretty amazing when you look at the economics of that. And so with my role, I came in to look at the market and say, how can we grow this business? And how can we really, at the end of the day, share the quality of our products out to the community that we want to reach.
It's become a crowded space, right? A lot of people in the space. What makes this different, this brand that we're putting out in the marketplace, what makes it different than the other brands that are out there?
So what's going to make the Helix brand different is the quality that goes into the product. So every product that you're providing for your community has been purposely developed. Okay. So one of the things that's extraordinarily important to us is the quality that goes into each one of the products.
We've always taken a position of being scientifically driven, medically focused. So we want to solve specific needs. Jamie and Leslie did an amazing job building the products and getting the products to where we are, where I believe personally we have the best products, bar none, on the market. Our oil's as pure as it can be. We're a vertically integrated company, so we control it from seed to sale.
So when Nick mentioned vertically integrated, what that means is from the plant all the way to the product is actually done under one roof. There are very few companies that do all of that under one roof. And so that's one aspect, but that also gives us control over testing at every single step, so that when the Cooler Brands community actually has a product, whatever's on the label, you can rest assured that's what's in the product. That does not, it may sound like it's common sense in this community, but 9 times out of 10, when you actually test the cannabidiol content in that product, it does not match what's on the label.
And that's kind of this Wild West thing that's going on out there, right? More business people getting into the CBD space to make money versus scientists that were into health and nutrition prior to the CBD craze that's taking off. Where you guys come from that background, this has been your whole life, has been put forward to help solve health issues for people, and that's what you guys are bringing to the marketplace with the brand.
Yeah, I mean, so when we talk about our mission, we actually live that mission every single day about bringing needed medications to patients in need now, and we stand behind that with every product and every day. So from that standpoint, that's what makes us different. It is truly important to us that the quality that goes into the products that you're going to be representing to your community are going to help your community members.